fell.
Are you listening?
Once again, we're back at Bam Bam. Today's topic is kinematics 1D motion, freefall. Today we're going to be talking about freefall. Freefall is the motion of any object under the influence of gravity. Only means that no air resistance or friction is moving or is causing any of the motion that is in the object falling. The motion, yeah. Any object's motion is at least approximately freefall, as long as it's relatively heavy compared to its size. It falls for a relatively short time, and it's moving relatively slow. If you throw a ball up in the air, it's still considered free fall because it's still under the influence of gravity. So let's say we throw a ball up in the air, it's still caused by gravity to pull down, considered free fall. What is gravity? That's a very important concept that we need for this topic. So, gravity is a constant acceleration due to the attractive force of gravity between an object and the earth. Gravity equals negative 9.8 meters per second, and for the AP test you can round it up to 10 meters per second. It's negative because it's going downwards. Alright, these are the equations that are used to find anything relative to kinematics, and since free fall falls under kinematics, you can use any of these equations, and for all of these, your acceleration will always equal your g, which is the negative 0.8 meters per second, or you can use 10. Always equals that. Alright, moving on to the problem that we have here on the board. Well, John drops a pile of roof shingles, which are the little tiles that are on the roof. Yeah. From the top of the roof, located 8.52 meters above the ground, as you see in the diagram. Find the time required for the shingles to reach the ground. So, moving over here, this is John, and he's dropping it at negative 8.552 meters because it's going downward. Your initial velocity is 0 because he's up here and he's not moving. He's not doing anything with the shingles yet. This is your distance, and of course you're going to use your g, which is your gravity, your acceleration. Alright, so those are given, and you have to find your time. So today we're going to use the equation d equals the initial t plus 1/2 a t squared. Alright, so plug in what you have, negative 8.52 meters equals 0. I'm trying to find time, plus 1/2 negative 9.8 t squared. Alright, so this crosses out since we don't have any velocity. Since you multiply by the time, it's still 0. So we move everything down, negative 8.52 equals, we'll go ahead and multiply your acceleration with the 1/2, which is negative 4.9 meters per second squared times t squared. Alright, so in the end, we have t squared equals 1.739, sorry, 7395, and it's squared because of the t. Sorry. So once you square root it, your t equals 1.8 32 seconds. There you go. We found time. Thanks for watching.